Will Ripple come out victorious in this ongoing legal battle with the SEC? That would be for Judge Annalisa Torres to decide. We do know that Ripple and the XRP coin are not anywhere close to being threatened by the fear of extinction due to the lawsuit. Neither are the XRP investors nor the enthusiasts of Ripple. Instead, this litigation, which many consider being based solely on prejudice on the United States financial watchdogs, would most likely see the SEC being burned than it would hurt Ripple as a company. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit regarding the status of XRP has garnered Ripple and its coin the attention of significant cryptocurrency agencies in and out of the country. Subsequently, that attention has seen the price of XRP surging to more extraordinary highs. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The Ripple pump will most definitely come, irrespective of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt brought about by the ongoing lawsuit between the fintech startup and the SEC. Taking a close look at the XRP coin from a historical perspective, XRP is one of the most bullish coins an investor would have in their portfolio, as the team behind this coin has repeatedly re-established the reputation of XRP. Seeing as the price action for this asset has transitioned from its position of being subpar towards the end of last year due to the SEC lawsuit and the subsequent delisting of the XRP coin from American exchanges to its current spot, where it has continued to register some of the tremendous gains to date. That said, compared to most of these other altcoins out on the market, XRP will be making some epic moves to the upside, and this would happen irrespective of the outcome of the SEC lawsuit. Following up with the trend of events happening in the lawsuit, you could see that the sway of events had always ended in favor of Ripple, with the greater possibility that either Ripple wins or the settlement occurs, with the probability of a close being pegged at 100%, considering the SEC keeps presenting weaker cases since its initial lawsuit was filed, which stands to be the Commission's most vital motion since the start of the discovery phase and the entire lawsuit. In all fairness, I think it suffices to say that the SEC is the one on trial here, seeing as they had managed to attract the attention of leading stakeholders within the US financial market and the entire cryptocurrency space for suspicion of corruption. However, looking at the historical data from the technical perspective, XRP's price action is nothing new. Just as in the past, the modus operandi of this coin has always been insanely stable about Bitcoin's run-ups, after which we experience a little bit of a downtrend as the bears retract to introduce some insane short bursts of extreme rise in a matter of mere weeks. Also, following this historical data shows that XRP had always been one of the last coins to experience a significant pump in every bull market. It has almost become a convention to note that once XRP encounters its pump, we've reached the end of the bull cycle. An assumption that could very much be verified yet again. Comparing this pump with the previous bull runs, we could associate the current market trend to more of the 2013 bull cycle than the 2017 bull season. As a weird representation of the 2013 price pump, XRP is making a remarkably similar structure to what we see now. And that trend is marked on the chart by the two ellipses, where we had the initial fake pump, followed by a dip to the lower low for XRP. Afterward, we had a pump, then a retrace, then a much smaller pump. Given this price action, and if our predictions of this market are similar to that of the 2013 bull cycle, we should see a dip right before the big pump for XRP. In my opinion, Ripple has had its fair share of the downside, as per the initial downtrend introduced by Ripple and its XRP coin during the early days of the lawsuit and now on the path to higher gains. The New York-based law firm Simpson Thacher & Bartlett, with which the former director of corporation finance with the SEC, William Hinman, was and is currently a partner, has long been a member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance Group, a consortium of businesses and corporations pushing for the global adoption of the Ethereum token. Long before Mr. Hinman joined the SEC in 2017, he'd already been a partner in the Silicon Valley office of Simpson Thacher and Bartlett, and just immediately after concluding his tenure at the SEC, Mr. Hinman got enrolled back into his partnership position at the company. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. Is the SEC trying to hide evidence regarding the Hinman speech to prove that the former SEC official colluded to boost the Ethereum token? Highly likely. The former SEC Director of Corporation Finance had made a bullish statement regarding Ethereum 3 years before filing a class action lawsuit against Ripple for selling unregistered security tokens, thereby dipping the price of the XRP token, which was at the time the foremost rival of the Ethereum token, after rising to its largest all-time high of more than $3 to occupy the number 2 spot across the board. Through the SEC lawsuit, we were able to catch a glimpse of how crooked the former SEC officials under the tenure of John Clayton had been all along. As such, Judge Sarah Netburn had repeatedly ordered the SEC to produce documents and external communications surrounding Hinman's speech, in which he declared that Ether was not a security. This mandate has got the SEC startled, given that the production of these documents would most definitely mean a loss for the SEC in the lawsuit. And now Ripple has filed another motion against the SEC requesting the agency to share documents related to its employees' holdings of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP to help the defendants' counsel in the law court to determine where the bias regarding holding the XRP coin as against having other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum started. A turnaround in the events has been a coincidence for Hinman in favor of the defendants, such that the evidence to the SEC's defeat is comfortably sitting in some vault in the agency's possession. Hence, the United States financial watchdogs are fighting tooth and nail to conceal these documents, while the Ripple team and its counsel and court are all about the production of these documents and would not let go until they've got their hands on the complete documentation regarding the SEC's trading policies, its employees' crypto portfolio, as well as the Hinman speech from 3 years ago. Should the required documents, which cover the SEC's meeting records, staff notes, and emails, be made public, they'll also reveal the parties in correspondence with Mr. Hinman and those whom the former SEC director had consulted and colluded to draft, edit, and finalize that 2018 speech that had the price of Ether increasing by a face-melting 600% to date. The data gathered from the redacted Hinman deposition and those of the counter-motions to conceal it is a direct indication that the evidence being withheld by the SEC will reveal the truth regarding the allegations that Mr. Hinman had consulted with high-ranking members of the Ethereum Foundation. This hint got private investors getting more involved with the Ethereum token after the speech. In addition to that, the court filing, which indicates at least 63 emails where more than 60 instances where the said speech was attached, had within its contents a request that would reveal all entities and individuals within and beyond the SEC's payroll who'd taken part in editing the Hinman speech, including those market participants with substantial investments or financial interests in Ethereum. Also included in the revelation would be more insights into how the non-public material information about the content of the speech found its way to the leading American exchange platform Coinbase, which listed the Ethereum Classic just 3 days before the Hinman speech. Once this document is released, we'd have a clearer picture of the complete list of Hinman's clients at Simpson Thacher, especially those who were direct beneficiaries of the impact of the Hinman speech. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.